With the rise of technologically advanced smart cities, powerful mobile devices are becoming an everyday essential. But will standard off-the-shelf products be able to communicate with your current devices? Or can they properly integrate with your legacy systems? With Advantech's mobile team, we can deliver on all of those requirements. By leveraging our extensive industry experience, we collaborate with customers and provide application-specific solutions for different domains, such as warehouse and logistics, hospitality and restaurant, as well as medical applications. We design tailor-made solutions and offer the flexibility of customizing off-the-shelf devices for both cost-saving and faster time-to-market full customization. First, we identify the customer's operation requirements, then design considerations before proposing a product concept. Then we supply the necessary hardware, rugged design, stable wireless communication, mechanical components and ergonomic design, software design service, optimized thermal design, and power management as an integrated solution that satisfies our customers' needs. And to ensure our solutions are reliable, all devices undergo rigorous in-house tests, including drop testing for durability, waterproof testing for resistance to moisture and extreme environments, accelerated life testing for stress and high temperatures tolerance, and connectivity testing for wireless communication capabilities. All solutions are certified with compliance testing and comply with international regulations. And all facilities are certified to international ISO standards to ensure high-quality product design. As a leader of global IoT technologies, Advantech is well-positioned to provide great support on product longevity, worldwide service network for real-time local service, and integrated supply chains to meet the demands of various industries across different countries. This is what we guarantee to our customers and how we help make their impossible into successful realities.